In this lesson, we will see how to replace multiple if-else statements using a dictionary for dynamic function dispatch in Python. Let's create a new Python file for our first example. First, we define 3 functions that simulate simple operations. Each one will print a short message so we can see which one is being called. Now we create a dictionary where each key is a command name and each value points to the corresponding function. We then simulate a user command by setting a variable and calling the related function through the dictionary. Run the script and observe how each function is called depending on the command value. Now let's create a second file to demonstrate using lambdas in the dispatcher for inline calculations. We define a dictionary that maps operation names to small lambda expressions performing arithmetic tasks. We define 2 numbers and then choose which operation to run dynamically using the dispatcher. Run the lambda dispatch example to see how it performs each arithmetic operation. Finally, let ecmec create an interactive dispatcher that takes user input and calls the corresponding function dynamically. We start by defining functions similar to our first example, and then build a loop that waits for user input to decide which function to call. Run the interactive example to see how each command triggers the right function. This technique makes it easy to extend functionality without modifying core logic. Just add another entry to the dictionary. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and contact us if you need help for your own projects.